It's a little wet today here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. You want a poncho? It's still a wet day here at Hollywood Studios. Woody's got his scarf on to celebrate Christmas. Rex has some antlers on.
Hey, howdy, hey.
Hey, howdy, hey. Okay, so we've got the spiked cold brew. It's got a cream cheese foam and Cocoa Puffs on top.
It's like breakfast and lunch.
It's a busy, busy day here at Hollywood Studios. Ours is posted 155-minute wait. We're adding a Muppet Vision 3D. Got a 20-minute wait. Karen's favorite ride.
And safety to everyone around you. Please no flash photography, video lighting, or cell phone usage during the show. Now put on your special 3D glasses as Kermit the Gang proudly.
Up there. Over there. And that way. There.
Hi, sweetie.
Hey, Kermit, look!
What? Bean, what are you doing out there?
I'm running away. Nobody would let me help in the moving in the dark.
Lunch at the Brown Derby. We have a margarita filet with a traditional, a blood orange, and a pomegranate. Dad's got Maker's Mark on the rocks, and Mom has Sprite. Lunch here also comes with rolls and butter, which are hot and delicious.
Bunch of stuff on top of the bottom.
Bacon. For lunch, Cobb salad for me and Mom. And Dad got a children's steak with mashed potatoes and green beans. We also got 2 sides of shrimp mac and cheese. We got drinks from the Tune-In Lounge. It's connected to the 50s Primetime Cafe, but just for some drinks. Great place to stop. Right next to Echo Lake, and Gertie in her Christmas hat. And got a little ornament hanging. Still raining.
I need that number. There we go.
It just made me all wet.
We must finish our drinks before we leave the park. Cheers and chug.
Chug. Gonna bite me.
And single rider line. It's a walk-on. What do you say? What do you call this? What do you call it when you just walk right under the ride?
Violent.
Ay, caramba! We got the Neil Patrick Harris margarita. Dad got.
Old-fashioned corn.
Mom is withholding from alcohol,
I am. I'm going on Guardians.
but we did just meet JoJo.
Did you know he was in here?
But
I did not know JoJo was here.
It was the big.
We have made our way to the Abracadabra bar. Me and Mom got the
Same thing.
same thing, the Whodunit punch, not to be confused with the
Houdini.
Hood Units punch.
I thought it was Houdini punch.
And Dad got the,
Dirty martini.
I got the Magic Hatton.
yeah, what's in it?
Hudson Manhattan rye whiskey and syrup.